Beds in IKEA.
All right, Luke.
Wait, I gotta get a plan, bro.
Nah, bro, you just gotta wing it. Fine, I'll pan it over to Josiah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to M&L Vlogs. Today, we're going to break the law. Let's go!
Picture me, feeling free. I can hear the heavens singing through the trees. Summer breeze, overseas. Everything in life working as he pleases. Look at the blue skies to ease my stress. Everything I need, I receive, God bless. Just a child.
Yeah, bro. I just woke up like half an hour.
Hey, Luke, all right.
Let's play.
Not two.
Potato real quick.
I'm potato catching master.
Oh, okay. He does this in college in the frat.
No!
Luke, what was that throw?
Where are we going though today?
So we're going to IKEA and Jordan's furniture, just to be hanging out.
2 days after Christmas,
Yeah, 2
right?
days
Monday.
after. Wait,
Monday the 27th.
27th, and it's gonna be a great vlog. So stay tuned.
We're Marty McFly Williams, and we're about to bomb this gnarly potato.
That's what I'm talking about. I call it 1.5.
It's a lot different than I remember.
I won't break your car. It's for the vlog.
My glasses are first.
They're almost there, Anthony. Guys, walk a little faster. Okay. All right, everybody. We got the boys van over here and Sophia. Oh, cheers. Jason, what are your thoughts on this one?
Oh, yeah.
Jitlock.
Jitlock?
Jitlock.
Jitlock?
Jit.
Jitlock? Yo, what is the jitlock?
Yo, jet.
Everybody's got jitlock.
So we're showing up at IKEA right now. Plans are a photo shoot, couple shorts, all the good stuff. Joe's gonna be our photographer. You already know we both brought the merch. So yeah.
Guys, who has the list?
For what?
For IKEA, guys.
Shoot. We can't get in with it.
Are you really telling me that you forgot the list? Guys, you know we come here like once a year.
Dude,
did you really forget?
Jason's dorm needs an upgrade.
Y'all better be playing with me or I am turning this car around right now.
Serious? Joe, drive into the lake.
Yo. Whoa. Holy. Yes. Whoa. Pull up on 10 with ease. Know what it meant to be. Money don't grow on trees. Sun got her hands on me. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. I've been MIA. Promise I'm on my way. Ain't no time to waste. Till daddy back in stays. Grandma got her visa. She about to take a plane. Shout out to Alicia. Her son about to take the game. Ain't no worries, ain't no hurry. I buy really fighting for me. No side, no me. That's Lil Holy. I'm on 10 with all my woadies. I've been good. I'm okay. Dodging bull like Olay. This my year. This my day. Oh, dance. I'm on a whole nother level. I'm dodging the devil. They hitting my line and I block. Finally better. They watching novellas, but I need a drama to stop. This that gleam. This that super speed. Skirt on the beat. This that beam. This that 116. You can't touch the team. Pull up on 10 with ease. Know what it meant to be. Money don't grow on trees. Sun got her hands on me. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios.
Whoa, tu fidelidad. I remember screaming that off the top in the south. Flow it up, Gloria, yeah. Whoa, night.
Buy M&L Shenanigans merch right now. Link is in the description below. Support us. Best drip around. You already know.
Quality shirts.
Coming out with more designs. This is the best quality
shirts.
t-shirt you'll ever wear. M&L Shenanigans. Buy it today. Let's go.
Forgot how you won't stop Miami Day. Pull up to the studio, run it like Rufio.
Guys, it's the Mona Lisa in IKEA. Jeez, this is 80 million, 800
Dude,
million.
This is the legit one, and I'm just touching it with my hands.
That's so
Like,
nice.
nasty.
Dude, I bet you can smell Leonardo da Vinci on there. Yo, no way.
That's him. That's him.
Welcome back. Swedish book reviews. Today we're reading Lille Erik fra Lisbjerg by Leif Ivanov. Let's open. What does it say, you ask? Subscribe to M&L Shenanigans. You heard it here, folks. Ah!
Everything's gonna be cold by the time they get here. I think they're almost paying, but it took us a long time to pay, and that's 4 people.
Salad.
Yeah, you can. I'll buy a lint roller.
You want to buy a lint roller too? Okay.
I'm looking at us.
Oh shoot! Wait there.
Oh snap! I'm getting dizzy. It's raining. It's soaping. I'm taking a bath. I haven't used the one in 10 years.
Why do they have a big Santa and then a jar Santa?
There he is. We need this costume for the special.
Also, Jason, is this where you got your haircut? What? Oh, dude.
Look at that one right there. Just nodding. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open. Look at that camera.
I just didn't want to hit their car, so I closed the headlamp, right? So they wrote the word jerk on a piece of paper.
Show him. Because we parked really close to somebody.
All right, it was really close, but to be fair, there was enough room for both of us to get in and out of the car.
Wait, and that
right?
person said what to you?
What? I don't know what that lady
Person was
did.
being nice. She
That's
was like,
she
oh, that
was
was
No,
really
because
nice.
it was not the greatest parking job, but there was
We're
room
still
enough,
over the
right?
line. We're still over.
But I think where we messed up is we didn't want to hit their door on the way out, so we shut their mirror, right? And I think we left it shut.
Well, you should have got a dash cam. And you could see them.
My bad.
That's actually hilarious.
Off to
Wait,
Costco,
what happened to
everybody.
my? Did someone just open my mirror?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. Yo, that scared me.
Dirtman 2.0. Later, skater.
Wait, now I'm very intrigued. What the heck? Wait, what?
Okay, no, I'm not
It's so funny.
Yo, should we,
No one's
should we,
at the
Luke, should we
church.
close off the vlog or should we just keep
Yo, I
going?
think it'd be hilarious
I think
if we took a picture with
probably
everyone
should keep
standing on top
going.
of their car.
Alright, well then we'll see you guys in a few days
Wait, is
Oh
there
yeah,
anyone
for the
in
bake off.
for
Right?
the bake off.
Oh, yeah.
The vlog is out. Today has been a great day. We'll see you later.
See you later.
Everything in life working as he pleases. Look at the blue skies to ease my stress. Everything I need, I receive, God bless. Just a child from the ghetto back.